Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my classic size dashboard layout happy planner. This is for the week of October 27th through November 2nd. This is the current week. I did film my plan with me's for the current week. I just didn't edit and upload them. So please forgive me for not having videos for you guys last week, or this week actually, current week. I do have, and if you'll stay to the end of this video, I have pre-recorded a sneak peek of 11 new Christmas designs that we'll be releasing in my shop on Saturday, November 1st at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So since those are all new Christmas designs, for the last week in October, I'm going to use some older designs that previously released when I was pleasantly planned. These are still available in my shop. But then starting in November for my plan with me's, I'm going to be using the new Christmas stickers. So this week I'm going to use Cozy Kittens. I love these stickers. They're just so cute and fun. I have the matching boxes. This is an older style box. My new style boxes do not look like this. And then I found this washi. This is some fall washi that I ordered and got off of Amazon. It is linked in the description in my Amazon storefront if you're interested in picking that up. So let's get started and see what we can do. I think I'm going to use my large sheet, and then I do need to get some quotes. I think I'm going to use some fall quotes for this spread. Actually, I'm going to use Amber Plans Her Day Faith Essentials. I'm going to use some quotes out of here. So I've already pre-chosen some of the quotes that I'm going to use. I'll show you those as we go. So let's get started. I kind of want to do my corners. So I think I'm going to take this cute kitten and put in this bottom left corner. I do want to mention as well that my husband and I are going on a trip in December. So my shop will be closed. I think it's just best if I close because I don't want to have like a 2-week gap. We're only going to be gone for a week, but I don't want to have like a 2-week gap in order processing time. So I'm just going to be closed from November 29th, the Saturday after Thanksgiving, through probably January 1st. Somewhere around in there, I'll have a January release. And I just, like I said, I think that will be best so that you guys aren't waiting around forever for me to ship your orders. I feel like it's just best in case somebody doesn't get this memo and they place an order and they're wondering, oh no, where their order is. I think it's best if I just close the shop. So that is what I'm going to do. I will do my best to have videos sporadically through December for you guys. I may or may not get them all done and pre-recorded. I don't know yet. We'll just have to kind of play that by ear. But if you don't see me much in December, I'm still here. I don't think I disappeared because I didn't disappear. All right, so I want to use, let's see, these are some of the quotes. So I have 3 different plan with me's that I'm going to do today. So these are the quotes that I have chosen from Amber Plans Her Day's sticker book. I think I want to use Then Sings My Soul. Maybe, I think I'm going to white out notes and put it above notes, or above the kitty cat. I think that's what we're going to do. That's cute. And then I always say this, y'all are probably tired of hearing it, but I do have new people. So off camera, I just kind of smooth down my clear stickers. Just makes them look a lot better. But we'll do that off camera. Okay, and then I need to go in with some boxes. Now these boxes are different than my new current style boxes. So let's just try to see what we can do here with these boxes. Thank you guys to everybody who has been placing orders with me. I truly appreciate your orders. They help a lot. And I think we're just going to kind of randomly place some boxes here. And then maybe we'll decorate around the boxes. I just wanted to fill in that bottom area down there. Let's see, we could use my headers. So let's see, let's do to do, important, and note. So let's put some headers. So this is whenever I typed up and pre-made the headers for my stickers, for my boxes. I don't do that anymore. I kind of leave that option open for you to put whatever you want in your headers. And we're going to do important up here. Try to kind of line these up as good as I can to make them kind of even. And then notes. If you don't follow me over on TikTok, make sure you go follow me over there if you have a TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok, download TikTok. I'm sharing a lot more over there than I share here. YouTube has just become a pain, if I'm honest. YouTube makes it just takes forever to upload, and it's just a pain. And I don't make that much money off of YouTube. But anyways, I am sharing over on YouTube. I share a lot of my Bible journaling and Bible study things over there. Did I say YouTube? TikTok? I don't remember what I said. But over on TikTok is where I'm sharing a lot of my Bible journaling and a lot of my Bible stuff. That's where I'm actually posting my daily Write the Word videos. Speaking of that, I do have November's Write the Word. If you're following along with me on that, I have November's up on my website, so you can download that. The scriptures that we're going to be writing for November. But I do all of that over on TikTok. I was doing it on YouTube, and YouTube is just, like I said, it's just a royal pain to get anything accomplished much on YouTube. With all their little rules and regulations, and it takes forever to upload. TikTok and Instagram Reels. I'm sharing on Instagram Reels too if you're on Instagram. But yeah, it's just so much easier than YouTube. So follow me either on Instagram or TikTok if you want to kind of follow along with me on the Bible study, Bible journaling journey. Okay. I hope all that made sense. Sometimes I feel like I just ramble along. All right, and now I want to do another quote. I kind of want to put a quote down here. I don't know which one I want to do. Then sings my soul, perfect love casts out fear. Maybe I want to use this one. Let's put this quote here on top of these boxes. We'll just make a little cluster like that. And then what we'll do is just kind of decorate around. I do have these smaller stickers on the large sticker sheet, and then I have the small sticker sheet. I think I'm going to use these. Let's see what we can do here. I can definitely put some washi down as well. So let's take this. Let's take the smaller one. And put right down here. Like that. And then let's take the little mug maybe. And put the mug over here. I'm so excited to start decorating for Christmas in my planner and my house. I don't know about my house decorating just yet for Christmas, because if I decorate for Christmas too early in the house, then by the time Christmas rolls around, I'm sick of looking at Christmas stuff. So I don't want to decorate too early for Christmas here. And I'm going to take this one and just kind of lay it right in the center of these boxes. All right, that is cute. Let's see if we can incorporate some of this washi into the spread. Normally over here, I will label this Monday through Sunday and then write meals at the top and write our daily meals in. I'm going to attempt to kind of rip this down the center. I could use my paper cutter, but I want to see what the ripped version looks like. And then let's maybe lay some down here. Like that. And then cut this off here. Maybe put a little bit over here. I just kind of want to put a little bit here and there. I like how this is kind of like a plaid, perfect for fall. The colors match great. I just think it's super cute. Actually, I'm going to use a thinner piece, I think. So we'll save this piece maybe for later. Let's try to take this piece. I feel like that piece that I just used was a little too thick to be using over here. Oops. I hope you can't hear my Jesus music. I say that probably every video, but I think my microphones that I'm using do a pretty good job of hiding the background noise, hopefully. All right, so let's take this remnant. Let's put it up top. And let's just go right here. It's a little bit crooked. And I'm also trying, editing videos is so tedious. If you've never done it, it's just such a tedious job. But I'm trying to cut down these Playing With Me videos and put them on TikTok and Instagram Reels, just for the short form content that a lot of people love these days. I think we're going to put this right here. That's not always a guarantee, because it kind of depends on if I have the time to edit down videos like that, because it takes a long time to edit down a 20-something minute video into a 1 or 2 minute video. All right, that's cute. I gotta fix that. It's got a little mountain right here. Ugh, pieces everywhere. And for some reason, I kind of got away from the way, you remember I was highlighting all my headers and using my highlighters and my Tombow brush markers in my planners, and it's just like that, just totally slipped my mind, which I do that. Sometimes I'll start something new and then get sidetracked. I think I want to add a little bit more of this washi in a couple more places, so I'm going to attempt to rip this again. Okay, and then I think I want to lay some like right here. CeCe Winans is on the radio, or I listen to Contemporary Christian on Pandora. I just stream it at my desk. I love CeCe Winans. I just love all her music. Her voice is incredible. But I love CeCe's songs, CeCe's music. All right, so, is that gonna, no, okay. I just don't want them side by side. I don't know how I feel about this, but I think I'm just going to leave it and just be happy with it. It's really cute. I almost feel like this is too much. Maybe that's too much. Yeah, and I think I'm going to pull this off. I think I only need just like a tiny little bit. So I just kind of went overboard per usual. All right, I think I'm done. I hope that I didn't start talking about something and then stop talking about it and leave y'all hanging, because like I said, sometimes I just feel like I just ramble in these videos. But let's put it back in my planner. Stay to the end. I did pre-record, I think I already said this, but I did pre-record my new releases, so I have a little sneaky peeky that I will add to the end of this video so you guys can see what's coming up November 1st. So yeah, that's it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video so I can show you my new Christmas releases. Quick disclaimer, I accidentally cut these too small. So when you see the size comparison, the actual sticker sheets are cut the wrong size. The boxes are the correct size. So don't assume or don't think that just because I messed up that this is the size you're going to get. Your decorative sticker sheets will be the same size as these boxes. So same goes for the mini sheets and the small sheets. Everything was printed. Instead of printing actual size, I accidentally was printing on my last setting and it was fit to page or whatever it is. So they're all too small. Anyways, we have Boho Christmas or Boho Holiday. These are just really pretty soft neutral colors. And then we have our matching boxes. All of these will release November 1st in my shop at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. We have Christmas candy. I love these fun colors. Classic Christmas colors. We have our matching boxes. And they're all available. I did add for you, Michelle, the mini size again. So all available in large, small, and mini with the matching boxes. And then we have Christmas florals. Very pretty floral stickers. We have the matching boxes. We have Gingham Christmas. So pretty. With matching boxes. Holiday Embrace. I love these colors. Look how pretty and soft and dainty these colors are. Love them. And we have matching boxes, of course. Love these colors as well. This is Holly Jolly. So pretty. Matching boxes. These I think are my favorite. Actually, there's a couple that are my favorite. This one I love. Peppermint Mocha. I love these colors. Matching boxes. Sweet Christmas. Another fun one with your classic Christmas colors. I did try to incorporate some florals into a lot of these. So a lot of you have asked for florals again. So I did try to incorporate some florals if I could find them. This one is another one of my favorites. Timeless Noel. Look how pretty those blues are. And it's got the, I forget what, what this pattern is called, but I'm really into this kind of grandma core, cottage core, blue and white or blue and ivory print. Just very pretty. These are our matching boxes. And then we have another classic. This is Warm Holiday. Love the bows. Boxes. And last but not least, we have Winter Cottage. Love the plaid in this one. So, so pretty. And the little red cardinal. So, these all release November 1st in my shop at SoGracefullyBroken.com, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up on my website for emails. I did send out a special coupon code. That 30% off code, Fall 30, ends on October 31st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So there is a 25% off coupon that is available in my email. That code is Holly Jolly. So HOLLYJOLLY in all capital letters at checkout will save you 25% off your entire purchase. So yeah, thank you for sticking around. I hope that you're as excited about these new designs as I am.
I will love